Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this homemade almond oil. This is cold press and it's so simple to make. In minutes you're done with it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and drop your comments. Don't forget to share this video if you find it interesting. Let's get started. So to get started with today's tutorial, I'm going to be making use of almond nuts. In this bowl, I have 130 grams of almond nuts. So what I do at this point is to blend it, mill it into a fine powder. And this, as you can see here. And after milling it, I pour it in my bowl. And in the smaller bowl, I have warm water. And what I'll do at this point, take 1 tablespoon of warm water and add it into it. And at this point, I'll start mixing it to make sure I incorporate the water into the nut powder. So doing this, I'm being patient doing this so that I can be able to mix it. I have to mix it to be able to mold it like dough. Almond oil is very good for the skin and also for the hair. It protects the hair and the skin from sun damage, and it's also a great moisturizer to both the hair and the skin. So it has a great benefit to the skin. So at this point, I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of warm water and keep mixing it. So after mixing it for a while, this is what the consistency looks like. And at this point, I can mold it. So I have to put much pressure pressing it out. Remember, this is cold press, so I need to press it very well to get the oil out of it. And this is what I will do to all the paste, all the mixed ones, and mix it to be able to get. I will have to press it with pressure to get out the oil from it, as you see me do here. If you're trying this process, this method, take your time. Remember not to rush it to get your oil. So at this point, the first round is over. Then I'm adding to the second. These ones I've finished pressing it, extracting the oil. So I'm adding another water to it, a tablespoon only at this point. Then mix it together and bring out the oil. And this is what I got from it. And 130 grams of almond nuts, I got 20 ml of almond oil from it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, comment if you have any question. See you next time. Bye.